Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing very good. Today we will continue block 24, Globe and Atlas. Be ready with all your essential and please sit with your partner. Our aim for today is to be able to describe the uses of an atlas. Now answer this question. You can answer to your partner also. Where have you seen a map that gives you directions? So maps that give directions can be seen in a zoo or a tourist spot. Here we can see a map of the zoo. So we will learn about a map and atlas and the different uses of a map today. Okay, be ready. And before that, here are some keywords from this topic. So continents, I have already told you we have 7 continents. These are big lands of the earth. We have divided lands of the earth in big continents and we have 7 continents. They are Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America and South America, and India is in Asia. And what about political? Political are we can find some features in political map. Which features we can find? Capital, countries, continents, states and cities. And physical features we can find in physical features. On a physical map. Physical features like mountains, plains, plateaus, valley, water bodies and deserts. And symbol is a sign of something. We call it symbol. So now open your content book and look at the political map of India in the section Atlas. Open your content book. Now look at the political map carefully. Political map that shows cities, continents, capitals. Now circle New Delhi and Arabian Sea on the given map. You can pause the video and do this. Find New Delhi and Arabian Sea and circle it. Now answer which colors are seas and oceans in the given map and what symbol is used for marking the capital cities of each state. So now what did the map tell you? Does the map have different colors and symbols? And which color are the seas and oceans colored in? So the map showed the states and the capital cities of India. It also shows all the water bodies of India. This map is different. You need to look at the map on your content book. So map also shows all the water bodies of India. It has a round black dot to mark the states capitals of India. Here you can see capital is Bhopal. So it is symbol is black dot. So round black dot is the symbol to mark the state capitals of India. And each state is marked in different color. Pink, green, purple. And the seas, oceans and rivers and other water bodies are colored blue. Now answer these questions. What is a map? Is it like a photograph of a place? And what does a map show? And what are the different kinds of maps? What are the different directions in a map? And what is an atlas? So, a map is a special drawing that shows details of any place or location on Earth. And map is not like a photograph. Map is a special drawing on a flat surface. It is not like a globe. Map is in a flat surface. And maps have special symbols that make it easier to find a place. It is not like a photograph. It has special symbols. A map is a representation of the Earth's features drawn on a flat surface. Maps use symbols and colors to represent features of an area, simplifying the real world. Simplifying means making a difficult thing simple. So it is not easy to make drawing of all the countries, states and continents. So symbols and different colors make it easier to find a place on the map. And there are different kinds of map: physical map and political map. A political map shows countries, states, cities and capitals. And a physical map shows landforms such as rivers, valleys, lakes, mountains, plateaus, deserts and so on. And a political map shows countries, continents, states, capitals and cities. And maps shows the 4 directions: north, south, west and east. Upper side north, bottom south, left west and right is east. Remember this thing. You should know where is east, west, north and south because we will use it later in some topics. And what is an atlas? An atlas is a collection of many maps. Atlas is a book with collection of many maps. Revise it again. Map is a detailed representation of different places on Earth. It is easy to carry, shows 4 directions and shows directions to a place. And places are shown in different colors. And maps have special symbols to make it easier to find a place. Now answer, why do you think a map has colors and symbols? A map is a representation of many places on Earth. It will be impossible to find anything on the map if everything looked the same. Okay, map is a representation of many places on Earth. And it will be impossible to find anything on the map if everything looked the same. So all water bodies are marked in blue, mountains are in brown color, deserts are in yellow color and forests are in green color. All the capital cities are usually marked in black dot. Therefore, all maps have different colors and symbols to mark various places which help us read them easily. And how we can identify that which symbol shows which things? So we can find it here. On the right and bottom side, here we can see 4 types of symbols. Purple line means international boundary. White line means state or union territory boundary, and red square with a square outline is a symbol of country capital, and black dot is symbol of state or union territory capitals. And map is easy to carry than a globe. And on a map we can see detailed information about a place like cities, states, capitals. And now you need to answer what color would be used to mark rivers in a map. You can answer to your partner. It's blue color because all water bodies are shown in blue color on a map. So this is about Atlas. After watching the video, you need to read Atlas from your content book, finish your S2 and complete PQ3 and 4. And this is your S2. Identify and tick the atlas from the images. Pictures are not clear, so you need to tick the atlas from the images on your workbook. Only tick, okay? Question 2, write 2 uses of a map. Question 3, look at the map and answer the following. Draw the symbol of state capitals. Draw the symbol of district headquarters. And what is the color of the sea? And from where you can find all the symbols? Right side and bottom. You can find all the symbols with names. From here you need to identify the symbol and draw it here. If you have any doubt, you can ask. And complete your work properly. Take care everyone. God bless.